Seniors, are you 60, 65, 70, or even 80? Come closer, let's have a talk. Did you know that nearly 50% of adults over 60 live with chronic joint pain, and more than 70% of them are taking medications that only mask the pain without addressing the root cause? That's nearly half of everyone in your age group silently suffering, relying on pills that provide temporary relief, while the underlying damage continues to worsen. According to research from the Arthritis Foundation, long-term reliance on painkillers can lead to increased cardiovascular risk, digestive issues, and even accelerated joint degradation. In fact, prolonged use of common nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs can increase your risk of heart attack by up to 50%. That's about the same risk increase as smoking half a pack of cigarettes daily for years. The digestive damage alone can be severe enough to cause ulcers and bleeding comparable to what chronic alcohol consumption does to the stomach lining over time. But here's what most people don't realize. Your joints aren't beyond repair. In fact, there's a specific type of movement, one that doesn't involve walking, jogging, or any high-impact activity, that can naturally rebuild joint strength, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility from the inside out. And today, I'm going to reveal 3 powerful home workouts that require no equipment, yet deliver results that rival or even surpass what prescription medications promise. Over the years, I've guided hundreds of people just like you to feel better using these exact movements, and many of them reported significant pain reduction within just 2 to 3 weeks. Some even threw away their pain medications entirely. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. One of these exercises triggers a little-known biomechanical response in your lower body that not only heals damaged cartilage, but also retrains your nervous system to protect your joints during everyday movement. This response stimulates synovial fluid production, the natural lubricant in your joints, at a rate comparable to what happens when physical therapists use advanced manual therapy techniques in clinical settings. Recent findings from sports rehabilitation clinics and orthopedic research centers suggest this response may be the missing link in long-term joint recovery, yet almost no one talks about it. It's a kind of breakthrough that changes not just how you move, but how you live. And I've saved the most powerful exercise for last, the one that could change everything. So let's dive in and discover exactly how to heal your joints naturally, starting today. 3. Seated tibial rotation. Let me introduce you to an exercise that most people have never heard of, yet it holds the key to unlocking pain-free movement in your knees and ankles. Seated tibial rotation is a gentle, controlled movement that specifically targets the rotational mechanics of your lower leg, the very mechanics that get locked up and restricted as joint pain progresses. Here's why this matters so much. Your tibia, the large bone in your lower leg, is designed to rotate slightly with every step you take. But when joint pain sets in, this natural rotation becomes stiff and limited, forcing your knees and hips to compensate in ways they were never meant to. Over time, this compensation accelerates cartilage breakdown and increases inflammation. Research from the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy shows that restoring tibial rotation can reduce knee pain by up to 40% in seniors with osteoarthritis. So how does it work? When you perform seated tibial rotation, you're gently guiding your lower leg through its natural range of motion, which stimulates synovial fluid production, the lubricant your joints desperately need. This fluid not only cushions your joints, but also delivers nutrients to damaged cartilage, promoting healing from the inside out. Clinical guidelines from the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons recommend performing 10 to 15 controlled rotations per leg, twice daily, to restore mobility and reduce stiffness. To perform this exercise, sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor, then slowly rotate your lower leg inward and outward while keeping your thigh stable. The movement should be smooth and deliberate, never forced. While this exercise is highly effective for anyone dealing with knee or ankle stiffness, it's especially beneficial for those who experience sharp pain during walking or climbing stairs, because it directly addresses the rotational restriction that's often the hidden culprit. However, the next exercise we're about to discuss targets an even deeper issue, the strength imbalance that causes your joints to collapse under pressure. 2. Sit to stand slow eccentrics. Have you ever noticed how standing up from a chair becomes more difficult and painful as the years go by? This seemingly simple movement reveals a critical weakness in your lower body, one that silently accelerates joint damage every single day. Sit to stand slow eccentrics is a game-changing exercise that rebuilds the strength and control your joints need to support your body weight without pain or strain. According to findings from the American Journal of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation, eccentric training, where you focus on the lowering phase of a movement, can increase muscle strength by up to 30% more effectively than traditional exercises. But here's what's truly fascinating. This exercise doesn't just build muscle. It triggers a little-known biomechanical response in your lower body that not only heals damaged cartilage, but also retrains your nervous system to protect your joints during everyday movement. When you slowly lower yourself into a chair, you're forcing your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings to work in perfect coordination, which takes pressure off your knee and hip joints. At the same time, the controlled lowering motion creates microtension in your tendons and ligaments, signaling your body to strengthen these structures and stabilize your joints. This neurological reprogramming is the missing link in long-term joint recovery. It teaches your body to move safely and efficiently, preventing future injury. To perform this exercise, stand in front of a sturdy chair and slowly lower yourself down over a count of 5 seconds. Then stand back up at a normal pace. The key is the slow descent. This is where the magic happens. Orthopedic specialists recommend starting with 8 to 10 repetitions, gradually increasing as your strength improves. While this exercise benefits anyone with joint pain, it's particularly powerful for those who struggle with balance or feel unsteady on their feet, as it builds the foundational strength that keeps you independent and active. But as effective as this exercise is, there's one more movement I've saved for last, the one that could change everything about your joint health and mobility. If you're new here and this information is already making a difference for you, I'd love to invite you to join the Health Waiver community for free, where we share tailored health tips specifically designed for seniors just like you. Please take a moment to subscribe so you never miss out on life-changing advice. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below letting me know how old you are and how your health has been lately. Your story matters, and it helps me create even more helpful content for you. 1. Static partial squat hold. Now we arrive at the most powerful exercise of all, the one that truly has the potential to change everything about your joint health and mobility. The static partial squat hold may look simple, but it delivers profound, lasting results that go far beyond what most people expect. When you hold a partial squat position, where your knees are bent just 30 to 45 degrees, you're creating an isometric contraction that floods your joints with nutrient-rich blood while simultaneously building incredible strength in the muscles that protect your knees, hips, and ankles. But here's what makes this exercise so extraordinary. It doesn't just strengthen your muscles. It fundamentally changes how your joints respond to stress. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that isometric holds can reduce joint pain by up to 50% while improving stability and endurance in the supporting muscles. This happens because the sustained contraction forces your body to recruit deep stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in traditional exercises. These muscles act like a protective brace around your joints, absorbing shock and preventing the kind of wear and tear that leads to chronic pain. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself into a partial squat, as if you're about to sit in a chair, and hold that position for 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on keeping your weight in your heels and your chest lifted. Physical therapists recommend performing 3 to 4 holds per session, resting for 30 seconds between each hold. While this exercise is incredibly effective for anyone with joint pain, it's especially transformative for those dealing with severe stiffness or arthritis, as it rebuilds strength without the repetitive stress that aggravates inflamed joints. The beauty of this exercise is that it requires no equipment, no impact, and yet delivers results that rival and often surpass what medications promise. These 3 powerful exercises, seated tibial rotation, sit to stand slow eccentrics, and static partial squat hold, are backed by science and designed to heal your joints naturally, without medication or expensive treatments. Start with one exercise today and gradually add the others as your strength improves. Consistency is the key to long-term health and independence. Which of these exercises surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more health tips tailored just for you. Also, drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and what you thought of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for taking steps toward a healthier, pain-free future.